Hey guys, Tuesday, July 23rd, 2024. Let's see what the Black Widow did today. As you can see, we are above anchored VWAP again, but kind of struggling to push above 226. But so far, looking good. Value area low holding, chopping around, got to 218. That was your key level, 270 degree on the square of 9. That held. So let's see what else is cooking here. Let's go to the daily, weekly hockey stick setup, looking good. And nothing there. Volume. Actually, let's go back to volume and see who won the battle. So far, it was mixed. It was mixed below the 20. So not much. I mean, they're building a position, but the Bulls or the Bears didn't really do much. Let's go into our simple glance chart. So far, things still looking good. Still in chop fest, or where the noise is. Unless we close above 226, that's going to be good. As you can see, there's a level here and a level here, and you got the 20 coming down. So we got to keep an eye on that. Let's go to our geometry. So far, what did I tell you this morning? This needs to hold. The APF. They pushed it all the way down there, and that lined up with the 2018 level that I was watching. And so far, it bounced off from there. Now we need to take out this high right here. And then we'll see as we navigate, kissing the 25 from here, and keep going to the 50, and until we could get to here, because this is a key level going down. So we'll take baby steps. Let's go into our midpoint chart. And nothing really changed on the monthly or the daily. Let's look at the 4 hours. So the 4 hours since the morning of my morning US pre-market, we got a PPS sell signal on the 4 hour chart. The mobiles collapsed, but it didn't really collapse really hard. You're above the zero line. There you go. The market's just closed, 3 p.m. We got this pivot here of 218. That was there. The big level to watch will be the 214.15. That's for the week. So far, 218 is holding. Stokes unwinding a little bit. So I don't know. It's kind of tricky. Volume was a little light. So I don't know if maybe there could be one more flush. But I don't think it'll go below 215. So don't get spooked and maybe bounce up, or maybe just go from here. But just got to be careful, because on the 4 hour, it's a little weak, and if we're going to get out of here, we need to clear at least 224. So, manage your stops, manage your risks. Let's look at the hourly chart with the daily pivots. You can see this is your line in the sand for today, and we held. PPS buy signal. Now it looks like it's more like a chop fest. Mobiles looks like getting a little positive. So yeah, so far it's looking a little good here. We just gotta grind higher. So a decent pullback. Held at support. You can see that it was very narrow. The high we did was 222, and the low was like around 218, 217. And we're kind of hanging around the VWAP. So but above the 200 on the 1 hour moving average. So for tomorrow, or the overnight session, we need to stay above 222. And extreme target to the upside will be 230. But if you want to hold for the long term and play the August-September seasonality run, then, it's definitely going to go much higher here. But I got all kinds of traders. I got guys that go in and out and scalp, swing trade. So if you're scalping and you want to be in and out and avoid the volatility, this is targets to the upside for tomorrow, and extreme targets to the downside, 213. If they're going to do, a bull trap, if the Black Widow is going to come and hit us hard again. That's it. Let's see. Lastly, square of 9, we went as high as 222 and found support around here. So yeah, it's just making sense that we're going to be kind of hanging around here, but eventually push to 233. Once we close above 233, I think we'll start entering now more of a bullish price action phase, and we'll start, climbing higher. But we're in this area, so we just have to kind of see these two pivots of 218, 225, and if it's a, they're gonna flush it down anywhere between 214, and you got your weekly midpoint, which is 214 and 218. Those are your two ones you want to watch out. I'm going to sign out. Hope you liked this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on nat gas.